All I wanna do is get high with my friends. If I die in the process, it'll be the end. Just a kid from the projects, I was born to win. In a world full of darkness, I was born to sin. Getting stuck in the past tense, cause the present ain't shit but elastic. They stretching the truth like it matters. Getting high off my thoughts, but I'll manage. Things ain't going exactly as planned. Devil on my shoulder like, what's up? I look back, I'm like, what?
What's up, you sexy fucks? I'm back. And today we're looking for the rest of the little yachty box. You see we have this pedophile here. I forgot to film the intro. So that's gonna be a missing clip. But as of right now, let's go find the box.
Okay, I'ma get her back, yeah. Watch me dip and duck, yeah. Sometimes you just gotta go and try your luck, okay. Leaving, don't come back.
Wait, no, what the fuck? None of that happened. But what did happen is where we trying to find the rest of these. Oh god, does that see right below? The rest of the Lil Yachty poster. I hope I got this connected. I can't see. I can't really see. But I'm gonna toss it down here. And you can see we have the Lil Yachty cereal box. There was used to be two, but we threw away that one. Might most likely throw away this one. But on this day, on this fucking day, I found the other one. Family size too. It's fucking big ass poster. The saddest part was this is the only one I have. Until one day I decided to go to the grocery store and I fucking found the second one. Let's get this fucking dub. We got two of them. Yeah! Okay. This one I had since like February or something. This one legit just got not that long ago. So let's cut the February one over because I really just want to eat cereal. Speed this up or something. Huh. That's what my mom said, don't use a fucking cutting knife, just cut it low. Just cut a little and use scissors. Because that's when you cut it open. Something is a sign up. I had to eat this today. I cut both, so what the fuck? Well, at least we got the picture out. Smells like fucking Doritos. I don't know what to do, and I cut. Well, I'm just gonna put this over here. Ugh. Wow, it doesn't look that bad. One cereal down, another one to go. Finally got these last two. I got some cereal too. Nothing cut, so that's good. Time to add the picture now. I'm gonna do it on the floor because I got really no room up. I have done. Beautiful. Well, I guess it's time to tape it. I just kind of want to make this short little video just showing that I found the other two, and this is the final part of finding the Little Yachty cereal box. You're probably wondering what the hell I'm gonna do with the rest of the cereal. I'm gonna fucking eat it. You kidding me? I love this type of cereal. Might buy another one, just keeping the box for now. But finally, I can get rid of these because I had that one, the big one, the family size, legit this one since like not October, since like February, and I finally have the chance to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm gonna tape this up and probably put it on the wall. You guys will probably see at the end, like just a picture of it. I don't know. Yeah. You guys will see I put on the wall what, but damn for sure I'm gonna tape this up. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this little series. Crap, more videos are gonna come soon, and a big surprise is coming very soon, which I think I already said what the surprise is, but if I didn't, then there's a surprise. I need to rewatch that video. I need to rewatch the video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time.